In 1972, Ferdinand Alexander Porsche, the man who designed the legendary Porsche 911, decided that the ultimate sports car needed the ultimate timing instrument. While the 911 became a global icon, the watch he created, the Porsche Design Chronograph 1, quietly revolutionized the industry. It was the world's first all-black watch, and it wasn't just for car enthusiasts. It became the military watch of choice for pilots and professionals. Today, Porsche Design is bringing that legacy back to the heart of the brand. F.A. Porsche valued legibility above all else. He took inspiration directly from dashboard instruments. The matte black dial with high-contrast white markers eliminates glare, while that fluorescent red seconds hand provides instant readability at high speeds. This isn't a luxury object in the traditional sense, it's a tool. Just like the 911, it doesn't scream for attention, it proves its value through performance. Porsche Design is titanium. The modern all-black numbered edition features a 40.8mm titanium case with a high-quality black carbide coating that feels incredibly soft to the touch. Under the hood, you'll find the WERK 01.140 movement. It's an in-house COSC-certified chronometer that beats at 4 Hz. While its 8-hour power reserve is a bit standard, its accuracy and robustness are exactly what you'd expect from German engineering. It's even water-resistant to 100 meters, with a chronograph you can actually use underwater. For a long time, these were mostly sold to people who were already buying a Porsche car, but now the brand wants every collector to appreciate this racetrack instrument. At $9,650, it's a serious investment. It's a watch for the seasoned collector who values history and utility over showy status symbols. Is it the perfect companion for a 911? Probably, but even without the car, it's a piece of design history that still feels contemporary today. What do you think? Is the all-black look still the gold standard for chronographs? Let me know in the comments.